Hi guys, if you're having trouble installing wireless display using optional features, you can try this alternative method. So we actually got stuck here and it never completed. So let me quickly cancel this. This will also take some time. And close this. Now go to Start menu and type CMD. Here is the command prompt. Right click and run it as administrator. And here is the code we will be using. Copy this code. I will provide it and paste it here and enter. Now please note this may take few minutes. For us it took about 20 minutes. So this has been installed successfully. Let's verify it. Go to Start menu and go to Optional Features. Open it, click on View Features and let's see if it has been added. Search for wireless display. So it has been added. If this does not work, you can also use the Windows PowerShell. Go to Start menu and search for PowerShell. This is the one. Right click and run it as administrator. So this command is for the PowerShell. Copy this and paste it here and enter. Please note you do not have to use both methods. Either use CMD or PowerShell. So this means it is already running. By the way, this last code is to verify on CMD. So this means it has been installed. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.